Hey love, so guys, this was how Priscilla Ojo prepared for her court wedding, from showing us the diamond rings from the rose jewelry, her outfit. That her outfit is so nice. Like I like the fact that the veil is coming from the hand, and then the shoe. The shoe is so simple but so classy and nice. She has a very good taste of shoes. I like that. I like that her shoe is so nice. And can you see that it's just looking so nice? And the fascinator, and then the bouquet, everything is just so simple and nice. It's not too much, it's just moderate. So I can't help but imagine how her mother is feeling about this whole thing, watching your own child tie the knots. Very soon she will be a grandma. So here you see the Enioluwa is more like the family member now. The way he just dropped Priscilla and took over her mother, it needed to be studied. He didn't waste time at all. I know he'll be like, I don't want to start missing Priscilla. Beg, let me just take her to the next available person. Piam to Priscilla's mom, Iyabo. So Shama Good Hair was there too. You can just see the peace among these two, and I hope and I'm praying because I want it to last. Please, no evil eyes shall come near that side. But look at the outfit of Shama Good Hair and Iyabo. Please, can you rate it? Yeah, I like Iyabo's outfit, if you ask me. The outfits are nice, but something you can consistently wear. I think I'll go for Iyabo's outfit. It's looking so nice. So, guys, it was now Enioluwa that cashed the bouquet. Can you imagine this boy? That means, is he trying to tell us something? He wants to marry anytime soon. I'll leave it for you guys. I beg. See you guys next video. Bye.